Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is Spiced Chicken Stuffed Buns. Spiced chicken stuffed buns is a yummy recipe to make and it's very easy and it's perfect for snacking. These homemade buns are so soft and fluffy, the inside of the bun is so spongy with a yummy chicken filling. And trust me, these buns are tastier than the ones from the local bakeries. Stick till the end to know the do's and don'ts of this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and do like, comment and share. All the ingredients are listed here and also in the description box. So let's get into the recipe. To make the dough, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, instant yeast 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. One egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, half cup of milk, take a large bowl and add in the all-purpose flour, yeast, sugar and salt, egg, oil and the milk. Now mix everything well. Gently start kneading everything into a dough. And if you feel it is very hard, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to the dough and start kneading again. Initially, the dough will keep sticking to our hands, but as you keep working, it will get better. So don't be tempted to add in flour. You can also use a food processor here to knead the dough to speed up the process of making the dough. As this recipe is completely homemade, I decided to do it without the gloves as I was not comfortable working with them. So wash your hands well before kneading the dough. Our dough is almost done, as you can see. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of oil and knead again. It takes about 15 minutes to get ready with the dough. Knead until a soft dough is formed. So you can see our dough is ready now. Now brush it with some oil. Do brush the sides of the bowl as well. and cover and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. To a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil or butter. Add 2 onions finely chopped. Cook the onions for some time. Cook the onions till they change color. And then add in 1 cup of boneless chicken, saute well. And now cover and cook the chicken till it is done. Now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Add in 1 cup of milk. Now time to add in our spices. I have taken 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, half teaspoon of mustard powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt as per taste. Add in all the spice powders to the chicken. And give it a good mix. The flame has to be low. Now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and half teaspoon of oregano. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes till it's nice and dry. Mix it again. And lastly, add half cup of mozzarella cheese. Mix this well. This chicken filling looks absolutely delectable. I just can't wait to have this. So with this, our cheese and chicken filling is done. Now after 3 hours, you can see our dough has doubled in size. Now sprinkle some flour and knead the dough again for 3 to 5 minutes. and cut them evenly and roll them into even sized balls like this. Now sprinkle some flour and using a rolling pin, roll them out like this. It has to be thick and not very thin. Now add the filling, the cheese and chicken filling, and if you want you can top it with some extra cheese too. And now seal it this way. Just turn like this, close it and seal the buns like this. And our bun is done. Grease a baking tray and place the prepared buns one by one. With proper spacing. Now cover and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. And later, apply beaten egg or milk on the surface of the buns. And sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And you can see it's done. Now brush with some melted butter for the perfect shine and gloss. With this, our spiced chicken stuffed buns are ready to be served. This is a delightful snack and it's loved by people of all age groups. So do try this recipe for your family. I'm sure they're going to love this. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, then do give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you're new on my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. And thank you so much for all the love and support. Happy cooking!